Hey guys, and welcome to another video of the Help Desk. In this video, I will show you how you can create a logo using Canva. Okay, so creating a logo using Canva is super simple and it will take you just a few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that you should do is obviously just select a template um, where you will start creating your logo. In this case, I will recommend you to use Instagram post. I am already on that page, and just go create a blank Instagram post. Here, guys, you will be able to select elements that are matching the niche that you are creating your logo for. In this case, I have decided to create a logo for travel agency, and that's why I will be using element that is obviously travel related. I'll go travel and select the element that I feel like is the closest to my brand idea, or simply the one that I like the most. For example, this one, I find it super amazing, but let's see how it will look like. For example, let's say that this agency is focused for the best summer destinations, and let's say that this agency is called summer uh, summer adventure. I don't know, guys. I can't come up with a name right now, but basically what I'm trying to say, that once I have selected this element, I will be obviously try to insert some text. Obviously, not everyone wants their logo to include text, but personally, I do like when logos have some text, and that's why I will try to insert some text here. And obviously, the first thing that I want to do is select the font. Here we already have some great fonts. And if you want more, obviously you should just select some of these headings here, and here you have more fonts. However, I have already uh, selected one that I feel like will be matching this logo, which is this one. You can see it already says beach please, therefore it is definitely matching my travel related niche already. However, I will try to personalize it. Let's say summer. Let's say that's the name of the agency. I will try to make it look nice. Therefore, I will move the text here. I also have the opportunity to add some effects in terms of, just add some offset, change the direction of the shadows of the letters to make it blurry. However, that's not what I want. To make it transparent, or in case that's not what I want, I obviously have the opportunity to choose some other effects. For example, this one, let's say which one will look best. I feel like this one could be the one. However, we will modify it. Uh, in terms like, let's first ungroup it. And select this element only. I will make this summer word closer to the element, and then I will adjust this other word tripco and make it, you know, get closer to the element as well. You know, just make like some kind of cycle around it and see whether it will look good or not. Keep in mind that when creating a logo, you will have to test a few choices before you make yours. Because obviously your first idea doesn't have to be the best one already. Perhaps you will have to test a few ideas before you get to what you have imagined. Personally, I like how this stands here, but I don't like how this word here looks like. So I will go back to effects and I will make it curvy, however, on the other side, something like this. And let's see how it will look like here. Nope, this is still not what I want. Let's check how it will look like on the other side. And yes, I feel like this is much better. However, guys, I don't like these colors. I mean, I do like these colors, but I don't like the shadows of these colors, so I will try to modify them and see whether I can make it more beautiful or just closer to my idea that I initially had in my mind. Okay, I feel like this is better. Let's modify this color. Nope, nope, nope. Keep in mind, guys, that in some cases you will be able to also change the colors of the element. However, this element in particular is simply not able. It's not. We are not able to change the colors of this element, and that's why perhaps we should just check whether there is some element which is more suitable and which will allow us to change the colors. Let's check this one, or let's write the word here. See whether there is some element that is closer to our branding. Okay, let's go with this one. It actually looks much more interesting. Also, another thing that you should keep in mind, guys, is that you are also able to add more elements if you like, in order to create your logo more unique. Let's check whether this element will be able to change the colors, but no, this element is also not able to change the colors as we want. Yes, this one is able to change. We are able to change the colors, but that's not really what I'm looking for. Keep in mind, guys, that some of the elements that I'm showing here are only accessible if you guys are have your account upgraded to premium. However, some elements are also available if your account, if you're basically using Canva free account, so you don't have to worry to upgrade if you don't want to. However, please keep in mind that Canva is super amazing, and you will be able to access much more features if you upgrade for premium. It is actually super cheap. It's only like 13 bucks per month or something like that. I'm not really sure, but it is super cheap, and it also has free trial. I will leave the link down in the description in case you want to join Canva Premium. Let's guys check whether this element could be the one that we are looking for. I'll try to change the colors of my words, of my brand name. And see, and just make them matching the colors of the element, because again, I'm not able to modify this particular element. I would like to make this more like, just like the color of the sand. Unfortunately, Canva does not have, that tool where you can just uh, you can just put the pointer to the color and of a certain picture, and boom, you will be instantly able to select that same color uh, on your text or wherever you want. But again, Canva is super easy to use, so that really shouldn't be an issue. And of course, there are some other ways to find out which exact colors are on these pictures, which is by using some other tools on the internet. And I think in this case, I will just go with this color that I think looks super cool. And here, guys, I will just go select all the elements and go here, group, and just make this logo a little bit larger. And of course, if you want, you will be also able to, just change the position of the logo, or see how it fits the best. Another thing that you can do, guys, is obviously add another element to your logo. In this case, I think that this C star, will look great if perhaps I add it here. However, I obviously don't want it to cover my word, and that's why I will just go with left with right click, sorry, and just click send backward and just make it uh, okay. I will go back. I will basically, what I will do is just adjust it, make it a little bit smaller, and then I will go right click and send it backward. Let's see whether it will look good if I add another C star to this word here, to summer. Perhaps it will be look much better here. Let me check. Again, I will go right click and go send backward. Nope, I don't like it, so I will just go ahead and remove it. Or let's check what it will look like if I make it just smaller. Just like much smaller. And then send it backward. I think it kind of looks nice. I hope you can agree. And then again, once we are done with that, we will again select all the elements here and just adjust them right in the center. And yes, I feel like the logo is already finished, and what we can do is also just go here to the download button and just click here and download it immediately. Or guys, we can actually download it with a transparent background, so in case you want to add it to your let's say to your WordPress blog or wherever you want, you will be able to do that. Another thing to keep in mind is that although PNG is the suggested file type because it has a super high quality image, you can also download the logo in all these other file types. Okay, so that was pretty much everything. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and to subscribe to this channel because it will definitely help this channel grow. Okay, again, thank you. And if you decide to upgrade to Canva Premium, I will link the link in the description down below. Thank you and have a nice day.